Hey sis, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. If you've been here before, thank you for returning. And today what I want to talk about is how to take a regular graphic t-shirt and push it and make it fashion forward for any time of the year. Keep in mind, this is coming from a plus size view because I am a plus size girl. But remember, anybody can take these tips and use it when you need to use it. Use them when you need to use it. So let's get into it. With these black jeans that I purchased from Ross years ago, but like I said, you can always take something that you got today and pair it with a staple piece that you've been having for years. Two different type of necklace. I paired them both together to give me this look. I think this is so cute, and I talk about my necklaces, how affordable they are, and where I purchased them, and I will put that video up here. But like I said, from CVS, in this watch. This is a black brand, black owned brand watch, and I paired this jacket without, like I said, the to me, this look is giving me like kind of a punk rockish type of look. But like I said, with these shirts, you can wear them any kind of way. This is how I decided to wear it. So I want to give you tips on it to whatever you want to stand out, like your necklace. You can always double those up like I did with the white one. I wanted my wrist to stand out, so I doubled up my accessories on my wrist to make that the staple piece. And then regular studded earrings, I got these from, I believe, Forever 21, I believe. But of course, you don't have to get these exact type of earrings. You can always just have your own type of gold studs. In this nose ring, I purchased this off of Amazon, and I got it as a set of like 7 different type of nose rings, so you can switch those in and out. This is just to take some tips to just take your regular t-shirt and just push it out there and make it look like you put in effort when all you did was put on a t-shirt and jeans. That's all you did. Some type of purse. I have a backpack purse, and I'm like, I feel like this go with this backpack purse. Some people be like, oh, backpack purses is out of style. No, they're not. Not for me, they not. Not for me. I will be wearing mine with this outfit because it goes. Look, sis, tell me I always come with the fashion and beauty. That's just. I wanna kiss you, yeah, I just wanna feel you. I want you right. So in this video, what I want to highlight before I end it is with shirts like this, is all about your accessories. Accessories, to me, are a key component to your wardrobe. Like, you don't have to buy the most expensive accessories if you can't afford it at that moment. That's fine. I will put in up here my video about affordable accessories where I go get mine. But you can just still get accessories. Still get it so you can make your outfit pop. You never know when that watch will match, that necklace will match, them earrings will match, that bracelet will match. You don't have to have it at that moment, that outfit, but you never know when that outfit will come into play. And all you thinking was, it would have been cute with those earrings or whatever like that. So to me, accessories are very important, and that's what I wanted to highlight, that you could take just a regular t-shirt and with your accessories turn it into a whole vibe. Thank you guys for watching this video. I enjoy doing it as always, and if you like what you see and you took some tips from this, please hit that subscribe button because I upload every Thursday with some type of gem from my heart to yours. I can't wait to see you guys next time. Bye.